Number one, Street Taco Trio. That's right. Now, why this works. Now, tacos, believe it or not, are one of the highest margin foods in mobile food. Small portions feel like a deal, but cost very little to produce. Here's on average. Cost breakdown: tortillas, about 30 cents. Proteins, about 90 cents. Toppings, around 30. So you're looking at $1.50 total cost. Now, profit, a $5 sale gives you a 70% margin. Now, the pro tip on this one is to use one protein across multiple menu items to keep inventory tight. Number two, loaded grilled cheese half sandwiches. Yes, check this out. Why this actually works, because number one, comfort food all the way. Grilled cheese, of course, is an impulse buy. Half sandwiches feel affordable, but still satisfying. Cost breakdown: bread around 40 cents, cheese about 80 cents, butter and maybe a little bit extras, about 30 cents. Total cost again on this, $1.50. Profit, huge margin and fast prep time, by the way. This is an upsell idea as well. Add bacon or a tomato for an extra $1. Let's go with this one. The loaded cup fries, number three. Why this works: fries are one of the cheapest foods to produce, and people love shareable snacks. Cost breakdown: fries on average per serving, by the way, around 80 cents. Cheese and sauce, $1.50. Cup and toppings, you're looking at about 40 cents. Total in, around $1.70. Profit, extremely high margins, plus a fast service product, easy to make in a quick amount of time. Number four, the classic hot dog with toppings. Yes. Why this one works? Well, simple, fast, universally loved, perfect for events and high volume areas. Cost breakdown: you have the hot dog, you have the bun, around $1.20. Your toppings around 30 cents. You're looking at $1.50. Profit, one of the fastest return on investment menu items that there possibly is. Ridiculously high margins. Number five.